Okay, so in my last video, I was attempting to whiten this bag, and I ended up removing the PVC coating from this coated canvas. And you can see the letters are a lot brighter, but it did not make the background white. Somehow it yellowed all the way through. So today, I'm going to wash this. My only concern is I left the coating on the bottom to protect it, and I'm worried about water being trapped, but I'm gonna dry it inside out maybe. So I'm going to use my kitchen sink. Let's move the camera over. And we are going to do, I'm thinking dish soap. So let us make some slightly soapy water, and then we're going to toss the bag. I look crazy. I'm going to toss the bag in here and we're going to see how it goes. I am desperately trying to save this vintage Dooney Bourke bag. So here's a brief recap of what I tried yesterday. I started off trying a baking soda and peroxide solution to whiten the yellowed bag, but I quickly realized that was not going to work, and I learned that you can peel the PVC off of the canvas. So I went with that, and it was actually really easy, but then I realized that the bag was still yellow underneath, and there was a musty smell to it. So the next logical step for me was to wash it. I did leave the PVC on the bottom for protection, and now let's see how washing it went. There she goes. I really hope the colors don't bleed. That would really suck. Let's turn that off. I wonder how long. Maybe I should let it soak a while. I don't know. We're just going for it. I'm gonna leave it there a while. We'll come back to this. Okay, so look at that water. It is red. I'm sure it's because of the lining. Oh, this has been in here, oh, like an hour. It doesn't seem to be washing any of the yellow out, and if anything, I might be staining it red at this point. This wasn't the best idea. I'm going to rinse it, and I think I'm going to set it out in the sun to dry, maybe inside out, to make sure that the underside of this dries. Oh, what was I thinking? I don't know. It's for science. Science. Okay, she's gonna hang. Probably all day. It's really, really wet. Luckily, I live in the desert, so we'll see. And now let's take a look at where we're at today. Can I get a drum roll? I ruined it. I ruined it. You can see red stains all over from the liner. And as I thought, the water getting trapped in here caused some staining in the bottom. And bonus, still stinks. Actually, maybe a little mustier than it was before I washed it. So, salvageable? I don't know. I'm gonna be optimistic. I'm open to ideas. If you have any, please let me know. But I mean, on the one hand, yeah, it's toast. But on the other hand, it wasn't usable in the first place because you saw it. It was pretty bad. But I probably could have gone about this better. So this is a cautionary tale. Don't do what I did. Removing the PVC, yes. Washing it? Maybe I should have started with like Febreze or something. But it is what it is, and I'm gonna keep it around. So if you have any suggestions, let me know.